The Rush slip-ons are actually a couple inches longer than the stock ones. It's got a couple bolts right there. 2 per slip-on, and then 1 set bolt for the actual baffle. Yeah, there's 2 bolts on the bottom and 1 bolt on the compression clamp for each muffler slip-on. Of course, you can see, well, you can't see anything through there. It's just pitiful compared to the Rush. You get so much more air. This job is extremely easy. Probably one of the more easier jobs I've ever done on an automobile or motorcycle. Probably the best upgrade that you could possibly do. Best $325 you can spend. Highly recommend it. Just tightening a few more things up here, and then voila, installed. I will tell you that the bolts that came with the Rush slip-ons were too small, too short, so I had to use the OEM.